Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fair Oaks local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best reliable long-distance moving solutions to help make your moves so much simpler. Regardless of how far you want to move, our expert team of movers will make it a lot easier. With us, you receive all of the best moving services to make moving a lot easier. Our experts handle all of the required moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. If you want to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the expense can seem tough. However, following a close look at the primary perks of hiring a local moving company, you are going to likely see that it's well worth it. You will definitely save time with your local move if you hire a moving company. It will also prevent you from needing to handle heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you get pros ready to make your local move extremely simple. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient move. It does not matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fair Oaks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.